All right, so let's build a platformer in Godot. Okay, so if you've made it this far, congratulations. We have a working 2D game with a character who can shoot magic at enemies, collect coins, earn points. He can die when he falls into pits. We've designed our level. We've created a main menu with a button that loads our game, and congratulations, you're doing a great job. So the last thing to do here is to export our game. So to export our game, we're going to go up to the top and go to Project, Export. And that's going to bring up this window, and which probably is empty if you haven't used Godot to export a game before. So we can click Add here, and then you'll see the different platforms that are available for you to export to. So we'll just click Windows here, and it's given us a bunch of errors saying that there's no template found, that we need to download the template for this. So just as it says here, export templates for this platform are missing. We're going to click Manage Export Templates, Best Available Mirror, Download and Install. Okay, sweet. Our templates have been installed, and so now we can go to Project, Export, and you'll see here now we're not getting all of those errors down there. So there's a lot of different options in here that you can go through and decide what you want to do, how, your game name, your company name, all of these things that you can fill out. But we're just going to go real quick and just export project. It's going to ask us where we want to put it. So, we can just put it in here if we want. We'll say save. Okay, and now here we have it, our executable file, Rainbow Wizard, ready to go, and we can play it in Windows. So congratulations, you have come this far. You have created a full game and exported it for other people to play. So you can create more levels and expand on this. Obviously, huge shout out to the creators who provided the assets that we used for this tutorial. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and let me know. Thanks, guys. Bye.